Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to create a new custom dealership into our FiveM server. So today we are going to see how we can make this dealership fully functional into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. At first, we have to select an area in which we have to create a dealership. I'll be creating a dealership in this MLO. So to start creating a dealership, we have to create a polygon zone into the area in which our dealership comes. To start creating polygon zone, we have to type pz create and give the zone type to poly, just like this, and give a name for the zone. I'll be giving a name of new dealership, just like this. And as you can see, there is a red line over here. So just like this, we have to create polygon in all area. Okay, now we have to add one polygon over here. We just need to type pz add, just like this. And as you can see, there is a green huge wall came over here. This covers the all area of our MLO. Just like this, we have to add area in the other side. So let's go and add it over here. We just need to add pz add, just like this. And let's go to the last area of our polygon. So let's go at the end of this area. Let's end the polygon over here, just like this. As you can see, all the area has been covered inside the polygon. So now we have to type pz finish, just like this, and our polygon has been saved into the txt file. Now we have to open this txt file. For the polygon's txt file, you have to open your server's main folder, then go to files. As you can see, there's a new txt file has been created, which name is polygon create. So you just have to open this. As you can see, our new dealership's polygon has been created over here. And now we have to open a vehicle shop script. We just need to go to resources, QB, and find QB vehicle shop, just like this, and go to the config.lua. And you can see this is the default dealership of our FiveM server. You just need to copy this from the name till the last purple curly braces. As you can see, this curly braces has been connected to the name. You just need to copy this all, and after that you just need to come to the last section and you have to add a new line and paste your code over here, just like this. After that, you just need to give a name of your shop. I'll be giving a simple name of DEALER dealer. And now we have to change the type from free use to managed, just like this. And now we have to replace these shape vectors with our new polygon vectors. We just need to copy them all and remove these vectors from here and copy your new vectors, just like this. And now we have to change the MINZ and MXZ. These are our MIN and MXZ. So we just need to copy this and replace this from here, just like this, and press Ctrl save. After that, if you want to set up a job to manage this dealership, you just need to create one. To create a job, you just need to go to QBCore, shared, and job.lua. So I'll be just copying the old dealership job from here and giving a new job, and I'll be renaming it and giving a name of VH dealer. And if you want to change the label, you can change it. I'll be creating a name premium vehicle dealer, just like this. And if you want, you can set and change the grade of your job from here. So I'll be not changing them all. I'll be keeping it default. After that, you just need to copy the job's name and change it over here, just like this. Now we are going to change the shop label as well. So I'll be giving the same name which we have given over here. After that, our show blip is true. Our blip type is also this one. If you want to change, you can change it. And our blip color is 3. If you want to change, I'll be giving a random number 6. And after that, there is a test drive time limit. So the time limit is according to minutes. So I'll be changing it to 1.0. just like this. And now we have to change the locations vector. To change the location, I'll be simply copying the vector 3 from here and pasting it over here, just like this. Press Ctrl save. After that, this is the return location to return the vehicle which we have used in our test drive. So I'll be giving the return vehicle location over here. So for that, I'll just have to spawn a vehicle and copy the vector 3, paste my vector 3 to return vehicle over here, just like this. After that, we have to set a vehicle spawn area. This is the spawn area of vehicle which got purchased by a customer. So I'll be setting up my spawn area over here. I just need to copy vector 4 for this. And after that, I am pasting my vector 4 of spawn vehicle over here. And now there's a spawn location of test drive. So I'll be giving my test drive spawn area over here. I just need to copy my vector 4 and paste it over here. Just like this. And now let's set up our finance zone. So I'll be giving my finance zone over here. I just need to copy my vector 3 and now paste my vector 3 over here. Just like this. And now we have to set up our showroom vehicles. To set up a showroom vehicle, we have to spawn a vehicle. After that, copy the vector 4 and I'll be pasting my vector 4 over here. For my second location, I'll be copying my vector 4 from here and pasting it over here. That's it. I have pasted 7 locations for my dealership. If you want to remove or add any slot, you can do that. I'll be removing the 8 slot from here and press Ctrl save. Okay, after setting up our dealership, we just need to go to vehicle.lua. For that, we have to go to files, resources, QBCore, shared and vehicles.lua. And now we have to change the shop of every vehicle. As you can see, these all are PDM and some are of luxury. So we need to change them all. We need to change them all with our new dealership. For that, we just need to click on search and search the PDM. And now go to your vehicle shops config.lua and copy the dealership's name. And come over here and paste and click on replace. And you can see every name has been replaced from here. Just like this, we also need to replace the luxury vehicle shop. So I just need to copy the luxury name and replace everything. Just like this. And press Ctrl save. And now let's restart the server. As you can see, the blip of our new dealership is on the map. And now let's take the job of our new dealership. I have took the manager's job. And now go near to any vehicle and use your target eye and click on vehicle interaction. As you can see, the options has been came. First we will check the test drive option. Give the server ID, my ID is 1 and click on submit. As you can see, the test drive vehicle has been came and I got the time of 1 minute as we set in our config.lua. So now let's drive the vehicle for 1 minute. If you want to return the vehicle before the 1 minute, you can return it as well by going to the return vehicle zone. So this is our vehicle return zone. As you can see, finish test drive option has came. We just need to click over here, just like this. Now let's change the vehicle and see which all vehicles we got. I'll be going to the super option and as you can see, the vehicle has been changed and I'll be selling this vehicle to myself. Click on submit. So I don't have enough money, so I'll be giving myself money. Okay, now sell this vehicle. As you can see, the money got deducted from bank and this vehicle is mine and the color of the vehicle is also great with my new graphic mod. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.